Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. I'm super excited to share this noodle recipe with you today. It's super tasty and you can pair the sauce with whatever noodle that you choose. I will be using chicken today, but you can substitute any other protein that you prefer. Marinate 4 chicken thigh pieces with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, and mix it really well. What we're going to do is marinate this chicken overnight. Now, the longer you marinate it, the more flavorful your chicken will be. This basic chicken marinade is super tasty. You can use this chicken in stir fries, fried rice, fried noodles, or you can coat it with a little bit of breadcrumbs and bake it. For today's recipe, we're going to cut the chicken into strips and then stir fry it in a pan. Let's prepare the noodle. What I'm using today is frozen ramen noodle, as it's super quick and easy to prepare, and I love the texture on this noodle. Basically, you put it into boiling water for a few minutes, loosen it up, and then drain it. It's ready. Another reason I love using this noodle is that you can pull it out of the freezer anytime and make some delicious, yummy noodles. Slice 1 red onion, and the reason I love using red onion for this recipe is that I love that pop of color in the noodle dish. Julienne 2 stalks of green onion, and the reason you only see green in my green onion is that I grow my own green onion and harvest it from the pot. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. I personally like to mince it very fine so it mixes really well into the noodles. Let's make that super tasty, yummy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to a bowl, 4 teaspoons of the dark soy sauce. Now the dark soy sauce actually adds a beautiful color to your noodles. Add 4 teaspoons of sesame oil. Add 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce. If you don't have sriracha sauce, you can use any mild chili sauce. Add 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. Seriously, this sauce is the best. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan on high heat, then add your onion and garlic. Sauté to release the flavor, then add your chicken. Sauté the chicken until it turns golden brown, then cover and continue to simmer the chicken. What I like to do is take a piece of chicken and check it to make sure that it is thoroughly cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, add the noodles and then stir up that sauce and add the sauce. Mix everything together well. Add the green onion and mix well. I love putting the noodles on a huge plate for sharing. My family absolutely loves this noodle recipe. Personal preference, you can sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top, and if you like spicy, add a little bit of chili oil. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious noodle recipe. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think.